Can I video you or?
Sure.
Okay.
Reason why I did this is it's a trust. It's coming from the ocean,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be pollute this nice island. So what I was trying to do, I collect everything, and then I make like an art, and people when they come, I have to explain them why I did that. Because environment is very important for each of us. Environment is very important. So I did the plastic ball and also the slippers. But the slipper, we cannot even tell where it comes from and where it made from. But when you go to the bottle, you can tell. Because the bottle, there's a plastic side.
The label.
Made in Japan, Korea, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia. So it's not for us. So that's the reason why I did that. Because I used to be a ranger. Then I got retired. And when the time when I become ranger, I am always walking around the island monitoring the turtle nest. So the people will not destroy that. That's part of my work. And by the time when I do that almost like every day, I find out that the trust is coming and coming and coming. What I'm gonna trying to do, maybe the way I try to make this and let the people know, so they have to be careful for their trust, not just to throw close to the ocean. And so this one, see like this one. This one color is good, but the handle is no good, so I have to transfer. I put the new one. So that's what I do. We think that this one. Where's that? This one. Yeah, some. It's alright, right? Cost 5. Huh? And then how about this one? How can you wear this one?
Oh,
It's only 4.
only 4.
I give you free for this because someday you might be free from be a pastor. And you're a teacher, so try to explain the kids.
Yes.
They might don't know about this, so you explain them. I went to Kayang and I see this.